Okay, moving on again. Oops. Here we go. So we have a bunch of different dimensions. I wonder if I can delete. Nah. Okay. So we want this one to be 5 foot 4 inches. It's going to make things a little bit bigger. Going back to our thing here, 10 foot 4 inches. So let's just correct this. Again, you don't have to do this as accurately as I'm doing it, but I just figured since I'm the teacher, I may as well do it perfectly, and then you guys can do it to the level of detail you want to do it at. What is the distance? Oh, and so here's another thing. Like I clicked this wall, but I want to know what the distance is to this wall, and that's not really giving me that dimension. I can kind of keep clicking on stuff till it happens to give it to me, or I can just pull it and it'll give it to me now. And so let's say I want that one to be well, that one's supposed to be, never mind, I'm going to leave that one. It is center line to center line. So moving forward, whatever that is, it is. I'm just going to leave it as now 17 foot 2 from there to there. So I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to grab another wall. Oops, I accidentally clicked materials. That's going to freak out for a while. No, thank you. Okay, architecture wall. I'm going to drop one somewhere here. And we want this to be from that face to this. Come on. Weird. Why is it doing that? Let's try that again. There we go. Oh, it looks like there's two overlapping temporary dimensions here. This is fun. Okay. There we go. So this one is supposed to be what? 17 foot 2. 17 foot 2 inches. Okay, we popped that wall over there. This now turned into a real dimension. I'm going to delete that. I don't want that there. So now 11 foot 4 from face to face. I want another wall over there. 11 foot 4 inches. Okay, gonna shorten that wall back to here. 4 foot 7.5 inches from face to face. Is there a jog in the wall there? Well, I'm just gonna throw a wall down here and we'll see. Click it. 4 foot 7.5 inches. There we go. It's a bit weird because I thought this would be more in line with this wall here, the way it appears to be here, but we'll find out what might have happened later on. 10 foot 4 and 2 foot. 10 foot 4, 2 foot. Okay, looks fine to me. So our next wall is 7 foot 2.25 inches. And something has definitely gone off the rails here. We're supposed to have a little opening here. We'll see what happened, but you know what? I'm just in the meantime, I'm just gonna keep going. We don't really know what happened there yet, so I'm just gonna keep pressing on. Let's continue. So this wall is from center line to center line. Geez, this is a mess. Okay, we've got this done. This is done. This is done. Let's leave this for the end. This looks a bit messy. I'm going to proceed with this wall here. So from outside, this is where the temporary dimensions are from inside of the wall to the inside of the wall. This is 6 foot 11 inches and 9/16. Great. You know what? I'm just going to go 6 foot 12 inches, which is technically 7 feet. 7 feet, but we want it to be from center line to center line again. Again, on the exam, just even eyeball it if you have to. Don't freak out about being super accurate. But since I'm trying to do it correctly for everyone here, I'm going to try to be as accurate as I can. Okay, I'm going to have to pause it here again for a sec.